Hello, I am David, a product manager at enmacc. We are excited to introduce our new feature, Platform Contracts for nEHS, which goes live this Wednesday, July 22nd. Let us take a quick look at the updated workflow so you know exactly what to expect. The journey begins directly in the settings. If you navigate to Company Settings and open the Settlement Details section, you will be able to see all the details from your company for the settlement. It is highly important that you fill out all the necessary fields and click on Save after completing these details. Your company will only become visible to others on the platform once you click on Save and you complete all the necessary steps. Once this is done, we can go to the Counterparty section and look at the platform agreements. In this tab, you will be able to see all the onboarded companies, and it makes it very easy to identify who is currently active and visible before you move forward with any trading activity. Now let us take a look at what happens on the execution screen on Entender. So for example, when you're ready to send a request for quotation for nEHS, then on the recipient section, you will see two specific recipient lists that are suggested by enmacc. The first one is Counterparties trading nEHS, which includes anyone with the intention to trade the certificate type on our platform. The second option is more selective, and it's only the counterparties that have completed the platform agreement process. So they have filled out their form, we have their settlement details information, and it's easier for us to actually complete the specific paperwork. What happens once you select this kind of counterparties and you complete a trade with them is the following. They will receive this RFQ, and if they trade it with you, you will receive one email like the one you can see on the screen. Here, it will be very similar to the ones from our other commodities, where you can see the RFQ ID, the deal ID, the details from the company and the trader that you traded with. But additionally, you will be able to see the settlement details. So you can see the VAT ID, the email, who is your contact person in this case, and to which contact you should make this transaction of the certificates. Platform Contracts is coming this Wednesday again. Thank you for your time, and we look forward to providing you with an even better trading experience on enmacc.